see if we can get a lot more effort into it. And just put this down here out of the way. I don't want these hurt, all right? Okay, good. Yeah. Now grab this first medicine ball. You stand over there, I'll stand here. Give me 20 of these, all right? So up and hold, and then down and up and hold. And look, no, I think you need something a little bit heavier. Why don't you try one? Oh, God. Oh, this is a bit heavier than I thought it was.
Got it?
No, I haven't really. What have I done? Oh, it's absolutely look at it.
Lucky I got the X5.